Alright, today I'm going to show you how Volkswagen's Park Assist can take the stress out of parallel parking for you. Find the space you want to parallel park into. Pull up alongside of the vehicle next to it here. Put your vehicle into reverse. That'll bring up this parking menu here. Press that. Simply hit the start button. From there, the wheel will auto turn all by itself, and all you have to do in this case is work the clutch, or if you're in an automatic, the gas and brake, and the vehicle will do all of the work for you. There you go. Once you've reached your spot, the vehicle should chime to let you know you're all set. There you go. And from there, it's that easy. Drive forward slowly, and it will straighten everything out for you. Perfect. Again, I haven't touched anything. It's that easy.